Hey everybody, so we are going to can some beef curry. So I have 2 tablespoons of oil in this hot pot, and I'm going to add 2.5 pounds of beef cut to the size you want. I have 1 large onion and 2 jalapenos, green chilies, whatever you can find, serrano, whatever's available, chopped up. Now you can use your own Indian spices or garam masala, what have you, but I am just going to use a curry, it's a block. So it's already has everything in it. And then you're going to need 5 cups of water. So we don't want to cook this meat, and use a cheap braising or stewing meat that takes a long time to cook. I find those are the best for canning. I'm going to add our onion and chilies, and then I'm going to get some garlic, which I meant to have ready before I started. Use one of my microplanes. Okay. Stir in those onions and chilies. You guys get your turkey broth canned? Even if you didn't have any meat, did you get some broth? I had to get that turkey stuff processed. Okay. Hold on, I need to see what they're doing. Okay, so we're just going to grate this garlic in, and don't grate your fingers or your nails off. I'm using 4 cloves. Last one. And this makes it more of a paste. Can you see that there? And it's much stronger in flavor when you do it this way. So if you're not a garlic person, you'll want to do less because it will be really strong. It's all that oils and stuff from that garlic. Going to turn this up to get that brown going. And when we get to that point, I'll be back. Holy cow, I steamed you out. So we're going to add salt and pepper. We are going to add a tablespoon of the beef bouillon, and I'm just adding that because the last time I made curry it was a little bland, needed salt. Had the spice, had everything else, but it needed a little bit more. I'm using half the recommended amount because this is being canned, and canning intensifies the flavors of herbs and spices. The dishwasher steam is killing me. So I'm going to add half because you can always add some more curry flavor when you heat it up, but I think this will be plenty. Five cups of water. And that's because we added the beef bouillon broth, or granules. We're going to bring this back up to a bubble and then put it in our jars, and I need to add 1 more cup of water. And if you don't have enough juice for your jars, you can always just add some beef broth. Don't worry about it, because you're only going to want to put like half to 3/4, 2/3 or so of meat. You're not going to want to pack it because you're going to want that gravy for your rice when you have your beef curry. Okay, let's see if I can get through this without choking on the dishwasher. So we've got everything mixed in there. Smells like curry. Tastes like curry. Taste your broth. Make sure you like it. And if you can hear that noise, I'm sorry, you're right next to the curry canner. So I got about 2/3 full of meat. Want 1 inch of headspace. And it is spicy. So you're positioned like this because I've got the carry going over here, I got jars cooling over there, and I got the canner going over here. Shut down that dishwasher noise. And that's all you do. Don't ever inhale the steam from your dishwasher, guys. I'm telling you. I think it could kill. So keep filling your jars. Then we will debubble and wipe our rims with vinegar. So I'm going to finish this jar and I'll be back. Okay, you guys. Sorry, I had to go find my inhaler. That was getting scary. So do not inhale the steam that comes from the vent from your dishwasher. I think it could kill you. Okay, so I debubbled. And then we are going to take vinegar. Wipe our rims. Wipe them really well. So you want to wipe them really good. Fold over your rag or paper towel. Hold my breath when I walk by that dishwasher. I am so sorry. That was bad. It was scary, actually. It's like, holy cow. I must have inhaled during the soapy part, soapy cycle. And I have had my canner on low since all this stuff is hot. I want my canner to be warmed up. You want to avoid thermal shock. Fingertip tight. And taste your curry broth before you jar that up so you know that it's to your liking. And if you like it stronger, you could add the whole container of curry, but I did not. I will wrap that up and use it. You could also do this with chicken. So you will process these for 75 minutes, and I'm going to start another project so I can make sure I have a full canner. So we will seal this up in a minute and start our canning process. Okay, everybody, it is done. Trying not to catch the cord on the carry. When this drops down and this isn't moving, your canner has come down from pressure. You always want to open it away from your face. So you don't burn yourself. These are still very hot. So here is our beef curry. And make sure, oops, you never put your jars in a cold draft. This one is boiling, boiling, boiling. And there we go, you guys. There is our beef curry. And we didn't have any siphoning. That's why it's important to let your canner come down from pressure on its own. And taste your gravy mix, or your curry broth before you put it in the jars, and see if it's to the strength or whatever that you like. Look at that. That one is just going crazy. And make sure it is at the intensity of flavor that you like in your curry. They are pretty. I don't know if you can see them. You can double the recipe and use that whole package of curry. There's all different flavors of curry. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. I got some canners to wash.